So now we're going to create our first post. One of the features with our platform and the WordPress plugin is the AI assistant. And we're going to use that AI assistant to generate ideas for blog posts for this specific blog. Since we are creating this blog for a landscaping company in St. Petersburg, Florida, we're going to type in, give me ideas for blog posts that people would search for who are interested in landscaping in Florida. Click submit. And it may take about 30 seconds, but we now have a list of ideas that we can start using to create posts. We're actually going to save these ideas by copying them, and that'll give us a chance to take a look at both post categories and just saving ideas like this for your reference later. If we hover over Edit Posts, we can click on Categories and open that up in a new tab. And this is where you will be able to create any categories for your blog posts. We've already got one that's all posts. And for this category, we're just going to do blog post ideas. And we'll add that underneath the all posts category and then just click add new. And now we can click on Add New Post, and we can just paste the information that we copied from the AI Assistant tab, and we're just going to give it a title of Blog Topics, Landscaping Florida, and we don't want this post to be visible on the front end of our blog, so we're just going to save this as draft. But this way we can reference these blog posts idea for creating additional posts in the future, or when setting up automations that we'll go over in another tutorial. But to create our first post, we're just going to take this first topic that we generated here, and we're going to head back over to the Create Post tab. And the first option that we're going to see here is the prompt type. We can create a post based off of a keyword, a link to another blog article that you like that you want to create a post based off of, or we can use a text prompt where we just enter in a few paragraphs to create a post. But for this, we're going to do keyword and we're going to paste in our topic. For blog post type, we've got a variety of different post types that we can create. We're going to do blog post. For content words, we're going to do 1,500 words. We do want to include images. We're going to go ahead and include 10 images in this post. You can download the images to your server, or you can just embed them in the post. And we can include YouTube videos in this post. We're going to include 2 YouTube videos. We have the option to link to a page. This is primarily used for search engine optimization purposes. And as a pro tip, if you create links within your posts to the category pages of your blog, that's going to improve the search engine optimization for those category pages for the keywords that are being used in the links of the post. We're going to come back over to categories, and we're going to create a new one called plants. We're going to put that under the all posts category. Click create category, and then if we hover over the category, we can right click on view, click copy link, and we're just going to paste that link in this field. And when you're ready to change your domain name, which we'll show how to do in another tutorial, this link will be automatically updated. Or if you're publishing this to another website, you'll just want to delete this part of the link. For the webhook URL, we reviewed that in a previous tutorial. In the settings, you can set the webhook URL either on the post level or on the account level. And this is how we integrate to social media accounts or other websites. We'll cover the webhook URL in another tutorial. But now we're ready to just click on Generate New Post. This process may take about 30 seconds. Once the post has been generated, we'll see a box right here that has additional options that will allow us to publish. And down below, we'll see our newly created post with our images, videos, the link that we specified, as well as internal links, other SEO features, and down at the bottom of the page that won't be included in your blog post, but you will see all of the posts that are currently ranking at the top of Google search results for this specific keyword phrase. If we come back up to the top, we've got options for publishing our posts. We can select a category, which we're going to select the plants category that we just created. We can select the post status, whether we want to create the post as a draft or published. We'll select publish. And then we've also got a post date option. We can either create the post at the current time, we can backdate the post, which this option is generally if you're building a new website and you want to create posts dating back to 6-12 months before submitting the site to Google. This option will make more sense in a later tutorial when we go over the automations. But if you backdate the post, it will create the post about a day before the very first post on the blog. Or we can select future date, and that will schedule the post out about a day from the current time. So you can start scheduling out posts for future dates. We're just going to select current time. We're going to click post to blog, and that has created our new post. Now we will see additional options that we have for this newly created post, primarily the ability to optimize the SEO title tag and meta description, which is what Google shows in their search results, and we can see down here at the bottom of the page. Our platform and software, when optimizing the title tags and meta descriptions to rank as high as possible in Google search, are taking these title tags and meta descriptions that are currently ranking at the top of the search results. It is analyzing the different SEO factors for these when creating the title tags and meta descriptions for this post, again to rank as high as possible in Google search. If you're utilizing our WordPress plugin, you can use this feature to optimize the title tags, meta descriptions, even the post titles and the keywords for any existing posts that you already have. We're just going to click on Get Title Tag, and we can see our newly generated title tag right here. And next we can click on Get Meta Description, and that's going to give us our meta description. If we want to edit any of this SEO information, we can click on the Edit SEO information, change anything we want, and then click Update SEO. And if we want to change the content of the post, we can click Edit Content. We've got a full editor in here where you can add images, do text editing, and even edit the HTML code. If we come over to the AI Post tab and click on AI Posts, we will see a list of all of our posts. We can click on the View Post button, and we can see our new fully optimized blog post. In the next tutorial, we're going to be covering how we can edit the look and feel of the website to really make this site look any way we want it to.